Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by aligning devices and accounts so playback works smoothly. First, sign into Apple Music on your phone or computer using the Apple ID you plan to use. This avoids authorization issues. Make sure your Ps4 system software is up to date and that both Ps4 and phone/PC are on the same Wi-Fi network, which allows streaming or casting. If you'll sideload songs, prepare a USB drive formatted to FAT32 with AAC or MP3 files organized in folders for easy navigation. Once done with prep, decide your route. Direct streaming via AirPlay-compatible TV or intermediary PC. If your TV supports AirPlay, open Apple Music on your iPhone, choose the current song, tap AirPlay, and select the TV that the Ps4 uses as its display. Audio will play through the TV speakers while your Ps4 stays idle. If using a PC, play Apple Music in iTunes or Music app. Then route audio to your Ps4 via DLNA server apps, or simply connect PC audio to Ps4 via HDMI if configured. For Spotify, to finish, confirm audio control works from your phone or PC and balance volumes between music and game, sound in the Ps4 settings if needed. If you encounter lag, dropouts, or connection loss, restart the router and both devices, then rejoin the same Wi-Fi. Make sure other streaming apps aren't saturating bandwidth. For USB playback issues, reformat the drive to FAT32, verify file formats are AAC/MP3, and place files in a music folder. If problems persist, reboot the Ps4 and test with a single local file to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.